In today's video, I'll show you guys top 3 free movie apps for iPhone. Now, yeah, watching on Netflix and watching movies on other paid apps is fun, but watching it for free is much better, right? Here are the apps. The first is Drama Box. Now, this is Drama Box. Here you can see a lot of movies and apps. There are a lot of options. Now, initially, you don't even need to create an account, but maybe moving forward, using this app, you will need to sign up. The next app is Plex. Now, in Plex, you will need to sign up. You can just use your Google account. And as you can see, there are a lot of movies, there are a lot of series too. And you can even create a profile and also find your friends. So that is Plex. Now, moving on forward with the video, the next app is Wiki. Now, here you will get a lot of movie options here. It's just not loading up, but as you can see, there is a movie section and also shows section. Now, here you can create an account, and then you will be able to see your watching history and all. So that is all for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos.